In today's video, I'm going to teach you creating Gantt charts in ClickUp. We'll start right inside your workspace on the Overview page. From here, open the View menu and switch to Gantt. This brings up the timeline view, where your spaces, folders, and tasks sit neatly on the left, and the interactive schedule fills the right side. Choose a project or list you want to work on, and feel free to expand another one as well, so you can compare timelines side by side. The timeline area is where the magic happens. Each task appears as a bar you can interact with. Look for the small yellow dots at the ends of taskbars. Those are your dependency handles. Click and drag from one dot to another task to create a dependency, which helps you control the order of work and avoid overlaps. If due dates need a quick tweak, click the date range on a taskbar to adjust it directly. To get the right level of detail, change your zoom to 4 weeks. You'll see how flexible this view is. Just drag the edges of any bar to extend or shorten timelines. As progress changes, update task completion or status right from the Gantt. For example, move a task into an under review status when it's ready for feedback. Clicking the date range, like a February to August span, opens the date picker for precise editing. You can also add comments to a task without leaving the Gantt. Type your note, hit send, and then close the task window to return to the timeline. Notice the color coding across tasks. Colors make it faster for teammates to scan the schedule and understand what's in progress, blocked, or complete. Keep refining as you go. Gantt charts are living plans. Let's focus on a quarterly audit task to practice. Use the zoom controls to jump in and out, then save your view so you can return to it later without reconfiguring filters or zoom. Try switching the timeline scale to year for a strategic overview, then to day for granular planning. Toggle as needed to compare detail, and use month to settle into a comfortable mid-range. If you see a task with no dates, click it and quickly assign a time frame. Next week is a handy preset. Set the duration to 2 weeks, and if you're applying a similar cadence elsewhere, choose 2 weeks again to stay consistent. If you anticipate salary-related delays, reflect that in the timeline so expectations are aligned. Gantt charts can look intimidating at first, but with a little practice, they become one of the most powerful planning tools you'll use. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more guides just like this.